Hi folks, Ben here at Pierre driving school, doing the driving lesson here. Me one left, shoulder left. Let's pull out here. Okay. At the traffic light, you're making a right turn. All right, shoulder right. Speed. Right, okay, sure, signal to the right. Cover the brake to come in. Right turn here, so on the traffic here, mirror right, shoulder right. Good. Hi, Ben. At this channel here, my name is, if you're for the first time, I'm Ben with Pierre Driving School. In this channel, we do everything driving. If you are new here, you consider to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon, so each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. If you have anything in particular you want us to cover for you, put in the comment below, as most of our video topic coming from the question you guys put on the comment below. We are here looking at New York City, specifically in Brooklyn, but we cover the entire New York City area. If you need our help, you can check our website on the comment below, pierrepaulsdriving.com. We're doing our left and right every single morning. If you have questions, we answer those questions early in the morning, as we start lesson here as early as 6 a.m. and as late at 11 p.m. 7 days a week, okay? We're doing a driving lesson here. Thing that you will be doing if you are taking your road test or driving on the regular, so to build up some skills. Left and at the light. Car up a park to the right side. We're gonna go over to the left, mirror left, shoulder left. We're gonna keep going the foot cover and the brake until we clear everything. See, I'm coming up. You see, I'm gonna come back in the same way. Car back too tight to that corner, we have to deepen a little bit and roll it back out, and by not hitting the yellow line, I mean the white line. Always, before fully engage the accelerator, you get full glance, make sure you're straight, you're good to go. You do not want to hit the accelerator heavy and people are around you, then that's not too good for you. Signal my attention left. Do not drive on traffic. Mirror left, shoulder left, and go around and bring it right back in. Mirror right, shoulder right, bring it back around. brighten up the light. Alright. Shoulder right and make the turn fall to the closest right lane. So, at the light coming up, left turn. Anything you guys want us to cover in particular, put in the comment below. That's where we have most of our video coming from. In this channel here, we do everything about driving. If you want us to cover any area for you, and we'll put it in the comment below. Check our website, pierredriving.com. If you wanted to do any thing we can help you with regarding driving, left turn here. Middle, mirror left, shoulder left, and make the turn. At the light coming up, we're making a right turn. Shoulder right. Make your turn, fall to the closest right lane. With your foot cover on the brake until fully recover from the turn. Then you will switch from the brake to the accelerator, then we go. See, they have a blind spot here, so I'm slowing down to see if anybody was shooting on that corner here. Always stop sign, first come, first serve. Continue to go. Anything I miss, you guys spot it. Let me know in the comment below. So next time I'll do better. Because each one we learn from each other. Putting over here to the left. Signal left. Newer left. Shoulder left and bring it right in. Yeah, folks, there you have it. All right. Until then, keep practicing. This has been with Pierre Driving School. Take care now. Bye-bye.